Hello everyone and welcome to our video on the major requirements for Nigerians to obtain a Canadian student visa. Studying abroad can be exciting and enriching, but it can also be complex. We have put together this video to give you an overview of the process to apply for a Canadian student visa as a Nigerian student. Step 1. Apply to a designated learning institution. Before you can apply for a Canadian student visa, you must first be accepted by a designated learning institution, LE. This is a Canadian educational institution approved by the government to admit international students. To enroll in LE, you must submit an application and meet the institution's admission requirements. Once accepted, a letter of acceptance will be issued to you. H3. How to find a designated learning institution. To find LE, the Canadian government has a searchable database on their website. Simply search by the province, city, or institution name to find a list of approved lists. H2. Step 2. Gather required documents. After receiving your letter of acceptance from LE, you will need to gather required documents for your visa application. Typically, you will need to provide bank statements, scholarship or financial aid letters, and/or a letter of support from a sponsor. The exact amount of funds required varies depending on your situation. H2. Step 3. Apply for a study permit. Once you have gathered all required documents, you can apply for a Canadian study permit. This application is done online or through a paper application and includes paying the application fee. H3. Common study permit questions. Some common questions surrounding the study permit application process may include: how long does the application process take? It can take 6 to 20 weeks depending on your location. Can I work while studying? Yes, you can work part-time on campus without a work permit and may be eligible for off-campus work permits. Outro. And that is the breakdown of the major requirements for Nigerians to obtain a Canadian student visa. Remember to plan and prepare early, to ensure a smooth process. We hope this video has provided useful information to guide your study abroad journey. Thank you for watching and good luck on your